In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find game activation code on Steam for Ubisoft Connect. If you've ever installed a Ubisoft title through Steam and then been asked for a code in Ubisoft Connect, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to use it without any confusion. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and heading to your library. This is where all of your games live. If you have a big collection, use the search bar to quickly locate the Ubisoft game you are working with. Make sure you are looking at the game entry in the left sidebar, not the store page. Next, right-click the Ubisoft game in your library list. In the menu that appears, hover over Manage and then click CD Keys. Steam will open a small window that lists the product code for that game. Sometimes you might see more than one code, such as a base game and a DLC key. Just note what each one is labeled as. These codes are sensitive, so keep them private and don't share them publicly. When the window appears, you'll see the code ready to copy. Use the Copy to Clipboard button or highlight the code and copy it manually. Keep the formatting exactly as shown, including any hyphens. If you plan to activate multiple items, copy the base game first and handle any add-ons afterward. Now switch to the Ubisoft Connect client. Open it on your computer and go to the Games tab. Here, look for the option labeled Activate Key. Click it to bring up the activation prompt. Paste the code you copied from Steam into the field. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Then proceed with the on-face screen confirmation to add the game to your Ubisoft Connect library. After a moment, the title should appear in your Games tab. Ready to download or launch based on what you already have installed. If you don't see a CD Keys option in Steam for a particular Ubisoft title, don't worry. Some newer releases use account linking and activate automatically without showing a separate key. In that case, simply managing your accounts through Steam and Ubisoft Connect is often all that's required, and no code will be displayed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.